Hi guys, to get started I just added a video clip on the timeline where I'd like to zoom in to this. Begin by selecting your clip on the timeline and then go up to effect controls. In here under motion you will see a setting for the anchor point. Select it to see the anchor point in your video preview. Move the anchor point over the part of the video you would like to zoom into. Now back in effect controls, you will see this mini version of timeline clip. Move the playhead to where you want to start zooming in. Then click the stopwatch next to scale to create a starting keyframe. Next move the playhead to where you want to be all the way zoomed in by. Increase the scale to how much you would like to zoom into. This will automatically create a second keyframe for your animation. So now when the playhead reaches your first keyframe, it starts zooming in, and then when it gets to your second keyframe, it finishing the zoom. Alright, next let's hold our zoom before zooming back out. To do this, move the playhead to where you want to start zooming back out. Then click this little circle button which will create a third keyframe for your current scale. Finally, to zoom back out, move the playhead to where you want your video to be unzoomed. Click this reset perimeter button to create keyframe for the scale's original unzoomed value. Okay, now I scrub through this. My video zooms in, and when it hits the third keyframe, it starts zooming out until it hits the fourth keyframe. I think this is looking pretty good, but I think it looks smoother if we ease our zooms. To ease, drag to select your first two keyframe, then right click one of them and select ease in. Next drag to select your last two keyframes, right click one of them and select ease out. Okay, now this is looking smoother and more professional. If you want to change the speed of your zooming, just drag your second keyframe closer or further from your first one, and you can do the same thing for your zoom out by dragging the fourth keyframe. That's it for our smooth zooms. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching. Give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.